cold season, so many people suffer from dandruff, and now that I've done with my hair, this is not going to be the end. We have to make sure that our hair remains anti-dandruff, like and dandruff free. Okay, so I have 2 ingredients that I'm going to share with you. I have ginger. Yes, ginger. The reason why I'm using ginger ziko hapa, ama niondoke, acha niondoke nionyeshe. That's why I'm using ginger. And the second ingredient, as usual, aloe vera. Aloe vera. I bought this one is full. Ilikatika. I don't know if I can use this one still, but I'm going to try my best. So these are the only ingredients that I'm going to use in that. Although I fear ni kadogo, but tutatumia tu hivyo. Although for some we can also use these, but I'm pretty sure that some people are actually going to disagree with me that we can't use lemon for something that we're going to use day to day. And also it reduces the usage, like how long you can store it. So if you want to use these, use it at your own risk, but I don't know if I should use it for today because it's not going to be so much since so itaisha tu mbio. I think I'm going to use it, but I'm pretty sure you can skip it. You can skip the lemon and just use these 2 ingredients. That's what I know. So let me show you mbio mbio. I think I'm not going to talk while nikizitengeneza, so I'll just put a song. Guy akiwalai ningejidunga. Yo. Kwani sijipendi? Okay, I'm going to put a time lapse nyi muangalie the process, and then I'm gonna show you how nita apply, and that's gonna be, the video is not gonna be long as you can see in the timeline. Accident. So let's get into it. Let's do this.
Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. To create a song, I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on. Fueled by
And we are done. We have our ginger, aloe vera mix and lemon. I was thinking of putting honey, lakini honey is too expensive and niko nayo isha crystallize. I don't think I have the time to wait for it to uncrystallize. So I have this splash bottle. Nilikuwa naitumia kwa wenye for those who have actually viewed my other videos on TikTok. I used to use this. It used to be a body splash bottle, but I cleaned it well, and that's why tutakuwa tunaweka hii stuff. And then I have a quick hack of how to transfer the products from this to the other container. Let me show you. And let me tell you, all you need is a spoon. Let me not lie. I've never done it before. I'm going to be trying it with you. Or let me first of all try it with something else. If it works, we shall use it. If it doesn't, so be it. Okay, so I saw it on social media that you can do this. Like, can you see what I'm doing? Like, use the spoon. Yes, it's working. Imagine it's working. That's what we shall do. It's clean water, so I don't think that's an issue. As I told you, it used to be a body splash bottle. See? Body splash. Wait, let me now transfer the contents. Oh, she, man. I pray that it works. Yeah. What is this white thing? There's some white thing being left at the bottom. At the bottom. I'm not sure what it is. So I think, it's the aloe vera. No, it's not aloe vera, it's ginger. See, no, it's making it become white. I'm not sure what that is, but alafu mimi wanze imetoshea vizuri. Mimi ni Mkikuyu. Lakini sasa acha ikae. Sita dego sugasugia. Now I have everything inside, and there we go. There it is. We have our product. Oh my god. Okay, let me label it and then come back. Tumetengeneza our spray, and as we saw kuna vitu za white, I think ni the ginger. They are settling at the huku chini, so before I use it I think I'll just be nining. And let me try. Imagine ilikuwa ndani. Let me now try niambie. Inanuka ginger. I can now use it on my hair, and I just focus on the scalp. I'm gonna use it for a full week, and then I'm going to be telling you in case of anything, in case kuna anything ita happen huko katikati, I shall tell you. So nitawachia hapo. I hope you have learned from this video. It's okay. Let me be honest. The time that I used to use rosemary, si ati hata sina rosemary, niko nazo hapa, but mimi nasikianga tu zinanuka tu vibaya. I used to use rosemary and cloves. They did the work, but the scent is a no. Because mimi hata mtu akakupita hivi tu akinuka mimi sina shida. Tuonaneni next time. If you want to try it, just unaweza rewind video utengeneze pamoja and nasikia vizuri. Have a next time guys. I love you so much.